Hey plant lovers and green thumbs alike, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a lush and vibrant topic, tropical indoor plants that you can grow right inside your home. Tropical plants are known for their stunning foliage and vibrant colors, and the best part? Many of them thrive indoors, bringing a touch of the tropics to your living space. In this video, we'll explore 11 incredible tropical indoor plants that are not only beautiful, but also relatively easy to care for. Whether you have a sunny windowsill or a cozy corner with lower light, there's a tropical plant perfect for your home. From the exotic bird of paradise to the charming parlor palm, we'll cover each plant's care tips, ideal conditions, and how to keep them looking their best. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's get into these tropical beauties that will transform your indoor space into a verdant paradise. Plant number 1 is Bird of Paradise. The Bird of Paradise is a striking tropical plant that has gained popularity as an indoor specimen due to its dramatic foliage and exotic appeal. Originating from South Africa, this plant is known for its large, banana-like leaves and its vibrant, bird-shaped flowers, which resemble the plumage of a tropical bird. As a houseplant, the Bird of Paradise can transform any interior space into a lush, tropical oasis, making it a favorite among indoor gardening enthusiasts. One of the most notable features of the Bird of Paradise is its distinctive foliage. The plant produces large, paddle-shaped leaves that are often described as resembling the feathers of a bird. These leaves can grow up to 18 inches long and 8 inches wide, creating a bold and eye-catching display. In terms of care, the Bird of Paradise requires a few specific conditions to thrive indoors. It prefers bright, indirect light, ideally receiving several hours of filtered sunlight each day. While it can tolerate lower light conditions, its growth may slow, and it may produce fewer flowers. Plant number 2. Parlor Palm. The Parlor Palm is a beloved indoor plant known for its elegant, feathery foliage and compact size. Native to the rainforests of Central America, this palm is a popular choice for indoor environments due to its low maintenance requirements and adaptability to various indoor conditions. Its graceful appearance and manageable size make it an excellent option for adding a touch of greenery to homes and offices. In terms of care, the parlor palm is relatively easy to grow, which is part of its charm. It thrives in low to medium light conditions, making it well suited for indoor environments where natural light may be limited. While it does best in bright, indirect light, it can also tolerate lower light levels, although its growth may be slower. Direct sunlight should be avoided, as it can scorch the leaves and cause damage. Watering the parlor. Palm requires a balanced approach. The plant prefers slightly moist soil, so it is important to allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so ensuring that the plant is not sitting in waterlogged soil is crucial. Plant number 3 is Peace Lily. The peace lily, Spathiphyllum pp., is a popular indoor plant celebrated for its elegant appearance and air-purifying qualities. Native to tropical regions of the Americas, this plant is renowned for its glossy, dark green leaves and striking white flowers, which contribute to its reputation as a symbol of peace and tranquility. One of the peace lily's most distinguishing features is its attractive foliage. The plant's leaves are lance-shaped, glossy, and deep green, creating a lush backdrop for its signature white flowers. Care for the peace lily is relatively straightforward, making it an excellent choice for indoor gardening. It thrives in low to medium light conditions, making it well suited for rooms with indirect sunlight. While it can tolerate low light, its growth may slow and it may produce fewer flowers. Watering is another important aspect of peace lily care. The plant prefers consistently moist soil, but should not be overwatered. It is best to allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings, and then water thoroughly. Plant number 4 is Philodendron. The Philodendron is a diverse and popular genus of indoor plants, known for its striking foliage and adaptability. With over 400 species and varieties, philodendrons offer a range of shapes, sizes, and colors, making them a versatile choice for interior decor. Native to the tropical regions of the Americas, these plants are valued for their ease of care, vigorous growth, and ability to purify indoor air. The most commonly grown species include the heartleaf philodendron, known for its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and trailing growth habit, the Monstera Deliciosa with its distinctive split leaves, and the Philodendron birkin, which features striking white pinstripes against dark green foliage. Philodendrons are renowned for their adaptability and relatively low maintenance needs, which makes them ideal for indoor environments. They generally thrive in bright, indirect light, but can also tolerate lower light conditions. Direct sunlight is to be avoided as it can cause leaf scorch or damage. If grown in low light, the plant may exhibit slower growth and fewer leaves, but it usually remains healthy. Plant number 5 is Monstera Deliciosa. Monstera Deliciosa, commonly known as the Swiss cheese plant or split-leaf philodendron, is a striking and highly popular indoor plant renowned for its dramatic foliage and tropical allure. Native to the rainforests of southern Mexico and parts of Central America, this plant has captured the imaginations of plant enthusiasts and interior designers alike with its unique leaf patterns and impressive growth. The Monstera Deliciosa is easily recognizable by its large, glossy leaves, which often develop distinctive splits and holes as they mature. One of the most appealing features of the Monstera Deliciosa is its size and growth habit. It can be grown as a climbing or trailing plant, making it versatile for various indoor settings. The Monstera Deliciosa is relatively low maintenance, but it does require specific conditions to thrive. It prefers bright, indirect light, which mimics the dappled sunlight of its native rainforest environment. Watering needs for Monstera Deliciosa are moderate. The plant prefers its soil to be kept consistently moist, but not soggy. Plant number 6 is ZZ plant. The ZZ plant, also known as the Zanzibar gem or ZZ plant, is a popular indoor plant recognized for its striking appearance and resilience. Native to Eastern Africa, the ZZ plant is highly valued for its glossy, dark green foliage and its ability to thrive in a variety of indoor conditions, making it a favorite among both beginner and experienced plant enthusiasts. The ZZ plant is distinguished by its attractive, waxy leaves that grow on thick, succulent stems. The leaves are typically dark green and shiny, and they are arranged in a feather-like pattern along the stems, creating a lush, full appearance. The plant prefers well-draining soil, and a standard potting mix with added perlite or sand can provide the right balance of aeration and moisture control. One of the key aspects of ZZ plant care is to avoid overwatering. It thrives in average room temperatures, typically between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. The plant can tolerate a range of temperatures, but should be protected from temperatures below 45 degrees Fahrenheit and from sudden temperature changes. Fertilizing the ZZ plant is straightforward. During the growing season, it benefits from occasional feeding with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength. Plant number 7 is the Fiddle Leaf Fig. The Fiddle Leaf Fig is a highly sought-after indoor plant known for its dramatic foliage and bold presence. Native to the tropical rainforests of West Africa, this plant has gained widespread popularity for its large, violin-shaped leaves that can add a touch of sophistication and greenery to any indoor space. Its striking appearance, combined with its relatively straightforward care requirements, makes it a favorite among plant enthusiasts and interior decorators. The Fiddle Leaf Fig is easily recognizable by its large, glossy leaves, which are shaped like a fiddle or violin. These leaves are typically deep green and have prominent veining, adding texture and visual interest to the plant. The size of the leaves can vary, but they often reach up to 12 inches in length. Despite its impressive appearance, the Fiddle Leaf Fig is relatively easy to care for, provided it is given the right conditions. It prefers bright, indirect light, which mimics the dappled sunlight of its natural rainforest habitat. Watering the Fiddle Leaf Fig requires a careful approach, The plant prefers its soil to be kept evenly moist, but it is important to avoid overwatering. Plant number 8 is Boston Fern. The Boston Fern, often simply referred to as the Boston Fern, is a classic and elegant indoor plant, known for its lush, feathery foliage and graceful arching fronds. Native to tropical regions, including parts of the Americas and Africa, this fern is a popular choice for adding a touch of greenery and texture to indoor spaces. Its ability to thrive in various conditions and its air-purifying properties make it a favorite among plant lovers and interior decorators. The Boston Fern is celebrated for its attractive, delicate fronds that resemble feathers, giving it a soft, airy appearance. The plant produces numerous fronds that can reach lengths of up to 3 feet and are typically bright green and finely divided. Caring for a Boston Fern involves understanding its specific needs, particularly in terms of light, moisture, and humidity. The Boston Fern thrives in bright, indirect light, which mimics the dappled light of its natural rainforest habitat. Watering the Boston Fern requires a careful balance. The plant prefers consistently moist soil and should not be allowed to dry out completely. Plant number 9 is the rubber plant. The rubber plant is a striking and resilient indoor plant, known for its glossy, leathery leaves and robust growth. Native to the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, this plant has become a popular choice for adding a touch of green to modern interiors, due to its dramatic foliage and relatively easy care requirements. Its ability to adapt to various indoor conditions and its air-purifying qualities make it a favorite among both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. The rubber plant is renowned for its large, oval-shaped leaves that are thick, shiny, and often deep green. The leaves can grow up to 12 inches long and are typically dark green, with a reddish or bronze tint when new. Caring for a rubber plant involves understanding its light, water, and environmental needs. The rubber plant thrives in bright, indirect light, which helps it maintain its vibrant foliage and promotes healthy growth. Watering the rubber plant requires a balanced approach. The plant prefers its soil to be kept evenly moist but not waterlogged. It's best to allow the top inch or so of soil to dry out between waterings. Plant number 10 is the bamboo palm. The bamboo palm, also known as the reed palm or the bamboo palm, is a popular indoor plant admired for its graceful, feathery foliage and its ability to thrive in low-light conditions. Native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, this palm is a favorite among indoor gardeners due to its elegant appearance and air-purifying qualities. The leaves are long, narrow, and pinnate, giving the plant a delicate, feathery appearance. The overall height of the bamboo palm can vary, but it generally reaches between 4 to 7 feet indoors, depending on the growing conditions and the size of the pot. The bamboo palm thrives in bright, indirect light, which mimics the dappled sunlight of its native rainforest habitat, while it can tolerate lower light conditions. Watering the bamboo palm requires a balanced approach. The plant prefers its soil to be kept consistently moist, but not soggy. The last plant is Dracaena. Dracaena is a diverse genus of indoor plants known for their striking appearance and adaptability. With over 120 species, Dracaena plants are popular choices for home and office decor due to their distinctive foliage and relatively easy care requirements. These plants are native to tropical and subtropical regions of Africa, Asia, and the Americas, and they bring a touch of exotic elegance to indoor spaces. The leaves of Dracaena plants vary widely in shape, color, and pattern. They can be long and narrow, broad and lance-shaped, or even sword-like. Caring for Dracaena plants involves providing the right light, water, and temperature conditions. Most Dracaena species prefer bright, indirect light, which helps them maintain their vibrant foliage. Watering Dracaena plants requires a balanced approach. They prefer their soil to be kept moderately moist, but they are quite tolerant of occasional drought. And there you have it, 11 stunning tropical indoor plants that are perfect for brightening up your home and bringing a touch of paradise indoors. We hope you enjoyed our plant tour and found some new favorites for your space. Remember, with a bit of care and the right conditions, These tropical beauties can thrive and transform your home into a lush retreat. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out and lets us know what content you love.